playing the Martini Gavotte from Book 3 Suzuki. Welcome. Welcome to the studio. My name is Cassie and I'm a professional violist and teaching artist. So today we're working on the first minuet from Book 3. And I wanted to talk through the form first. So this is actually a ritornello form, and ritornello just means that there's a section of the piece that returns over and over and over again. It may even be labeled in your book as A, B, A, C, A, D, etc. So the A section, or what we play at the very beginning, happens to repeat a number of times throughout the piece. So I know this looks like it's a really long piece, but once you've learned the A section, you've learned almost 50% of the piece. So I want to have a look at that A section first. We're going to go to playing position and we're going to play until the downbeat of measure 8. And I'll count us in. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. So what we just played is the A section, and that repeats, I think it's about 7 times throughout the rest of this piece. So once you've learned those two little phrases, you've almost got 50% of the piece. The other sections are contrasting. So where we just ended in measure 8, the B section begins on big beat 3. And this is a contrasting section to what we just played in A. So you do have to learn those contrasting sections, but then the A section returns after that. They're kind of interspersed in between there. The next thing I want to point out is that there's a couple of low first fingers that we haven't played very often, so that might be a little bit new to you. On the D string, we've got a low first finger E flat, and on the G string, we've got a low first finger G sharp. So watch out for those when they appear. So we're going to play through this 2 times, the slow version first, followed by a fast version. First up is our slow version, so let's go to playing position. Double check your bow hold, curvy thumb, curvy pinky. Nice straight wrist for your left hand, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and then we'll begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. you've played that in the slow version, we're going to do the fast version. Let's go to playing position. Still do your checks. Bow hold. Curved. Pinky curved. I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and we'll begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Thanks so much for joining me today and practicing along with me. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have any comments or questions, please post those below because I do enjoy reading them. Thanks so much for joining me and happy practicing.